Install above-ground wooden monitoring stakes around the perimeter and under decks to detect and divert termite foraging as part of post-construction termite treatment. Use solid untreated wood stakes of a durable species about 1 inch by 1 inch in cross-section and at least 6 inches long, driven so the top sits slightly above grade to remain dry while still contacting soil. Space stakes about every 10 feet along foundations and under platforms and porches to create a continuous line of attractive cellulose, and place additional stakes at obvious access points, such as utility penetrations and understored lumber. For best results, rotate stake locations annually to check broader soil zones and mark each stake with a permanent identifier and installation date so you can track trends. When you find any live termite activity, replace that stake immediately with a baited monitoring station using slow-acting cellulose baits that termites will feed on and share with the colony to produce a detectable decline in activity. Inspect visually with a flashlight and a probing tool once a month for the first 6 months, then every 2 to 3 months after 1 year if no activity is seen. Record findings in a simple log noting date, stake id, and presence or absence of frass or live insects. Keep stakes clear of leaf litter and maintain a 2-inch gap between the stake top and any overlying structural wood to avoid accidental bridging that would bypass the monitor. Common mistakes include placing stakes flush with foundations or buried, which prevents soil contact and yields false negatives, so always ensure the stake tip is in firm soil and the top remains above ground. Another frequent issue is relying solely on a single row of stakes. If activity is missed, expand monitoring to a second staggered row and focus around moisture sources like downspouts that attract termites. People also forget consistent inspections and log keeping, which delays response. So, set a recurring calendar reminder and treat any active stake by replacing it with a baited unit immediately and notifying neighbors if multiple properties are affected. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors experienced with post-construction termite strategies and provides a place for contractors to find work by listing services and project types. We also host an active discussion community where members share installation tips, monitoring patterns, and vendor recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors make better decisions.